Find x. Here is root 48 minus root 3 equals to root x. So this root 48 we can write root 3 into 16 and minus root 3 equals to root x. So this one root 16 means we can write 4, and here is root 3 minus root 3 equals to root x. So here is 4 root 3 and here is root 3, so we can write 3 root 3 equals to root x. So if we square both sides, so 9 into 3 and here is x, so x equals to 27. Thank you. How to evaluate? 2 to the power 100 minus 2 to the power 99 divided 2 to the power 101 plus 2 to the power 99. So in here we can write like this: 2 to the power 99 into 2 to the power 1. Base equals, power will be add, so 99 plus 1 means 100 minus 2 to the power 99. Here is 2 to the power 99 into 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 99. If we take common 2 to the power 99, here is 2 to the power 1 minus 1, and here is 299 into 2 square plus 1. So here is 2 to the power 99, 2 to the power 99 cross, we will get 1 divided 2 square means 4, 4 plus 1 means 5. This is the answer. Thank you. Find x. Here is 4 to the power x plus 2 plus 4 to the power x plus 5 equals to 65. So first we can write 4 to the power x plus 2 plus 4 to the power x plus 2 plus 3 equals to 65. And here is 4 to the power x plus 2 plus 4 to the power x plus 2 into 4 to the power 3 we can write, and equals to 65. If we take common 4 to the power x plus 2, we can write 1 plus 4 cube equals to 65. So here is 4 to the power x plus 2 into 4 cube means 64 plus 1, 65 equals to, here is 65. If we divide both sides by 65, we will get 4 to the power x plus 2 equals to 1, and here is 4 to the power x plus 2 equals to 1, we can write 4 to the power 0. So here is x plus 2 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 2. Okay, thank you. If 7 to the power x plus 1 equals to 5, find the value 7 to the power x minus 1. If we multiply both sides by 7 to the power minus 1, what will come? Look, 7 to the power x plus 1, we need x minus 1. So here we multiply by 7 to the power minus 1 both sides. 5 into 7 to the power minus 2. So here 7 and 7 base equal, so power will be add. So 7 to the power x plus 1 minus 2 equals to, here is 5 divided 7 square. We can write like this way. So here is 7 to the power x minus 1, and here is 5 divided 49. This is the answer. Okay, thank you. Find x. Here is 9 to the power x equals to 27 root 3. We can write like this: 3 square, here is x, and this 27 we can write 3 cube into root 3, you can write 3 to the power 1 by 2. So here is 3 to the power 2x equals to, and here is 3 plus 1 by 2. So here is 3 to the power 2x, and here is 3 to the power 6 plus 1 divided 2. So here is 3 to the power 2x equals to 3 to the power 7 divided 2. So base equal, it means 3 and 3, so we can write 2x equals to 7 divided 2. So x equals to 7 divided 2 into 2, it means 4. Thank you. Find x. Here is 10 to the power 9 minus x square equals to 1. We can write like this: 10 to the power 9 minus x square equals to 10 to the power 0. It means 1. So 10 same, 9 minus x square equals to 0, or we can write 9 equals to x square. So x equals to plus minus 3. Thank you. Find x. Here is x to the power 8 equals to 9 to the power 2. So this x to the power 8 we can write x to the power 2 into 4, and this 9 we can write 3 squared whole square. Look, this one x to the power 2 we can write to the power 4, and this one 3 to the power 4. So look, power same, we can write x square equals to 3. So x equals to plus minus 3 root 3. Okay, thank you.